Hello and welcome to CryptoWeeklies. Today we are going to discuss about Polygon and its token MATIC. We'll be conducting an AI and machine learning based price forecast as well as regression based analysis and valuation strategy and accumulation strategy for MATIC. None of the content is financial advice. The chart that you are seeing on the screen is the machine learning based price forecast trained on weekly price action since MATIC launched in 2019. The weekly price action, you can see MATIC has been falling of its previous support that it held in 2023. The price action is slight at one point came close to the 2022 bear market lows. You can see at around 40 cents, but the price has rallied. If you see MATIC today that we are talking about, over the last 7 days MATIC has rallied 15%. Price action at around 48 cents. Market cap still about 4.8, slightly under 4.8 billion. In terms of ranking, this is still within the top 20 cryptos by market cap. In terms of another thing about the tokenomics of Polygon is that if you focus on the price versus market cap analysis, is that MATIC does have a total supply of about 10 billion. And again, a recent news again has been the token upgrade from MATIC to Pol has been initiated on Ethereum's mainnet. One thing to notice is in terms of price versus market cap analysis is the market cap and the price chart, if they reflect each other like they do right now over here, you can see that the impact of any inflation has been minimal over the last year. And in terms of the circulating supply and total supply analysis, about 99% of the total supply is in circulation. Again, that is a bullish sign. And if you look at the rank of a crypto by market cap and volume, they are pretty close to each other. By market cap number 19th, by volume 21st. That means market cap and volume based trading is going hand in hand. So this is one of the primary analysis that we conduct before diving in depth on its machine learning or regression analysis, because if that there is significant token dilution, the forecasts tend to have a outsized impact based on when the token get released, and that is the newer supply gets issued. Per the base case scenario per our machine learning based forecast for MATIC is between the current valuation at around 44 cents till about 52 cents. This is week by week price analysis. This is if you are interested in tabular format, that content is also available on website. The website's name is CryptoWeeklies.com. It's on the bottom of your screen. You don't have to sign up or pay for anything. All of these charts are available over there. In terms of the bull case for MATIC for this week is at around 50 cents, and as we move forward in time till about the end of year 2024, that ceiling price is at around $1.05. So this is at 68% confidence level. That is again within one standard deviation. If the market operates within one standard deviation or within the 70% bound that it usually operates in the halving year, those are the forecasts. And in the post-halving year, this is just a sneak peek. The difference between a halving year forecast and post-halving forecast are these. At these post-halving year, the prices tend to go up in two standard deviation. That is, they go up in a parabolic fashion. And if let's say Polygon MATIC witnesses those parabolic movements in late 2024, those forecasts are in that scenario the price could see the bull case between 56 cents to about $1.91. So in equal and opposite, you can see that the trend since March has been formation of lower highs and lower lows. If that trend continues, the floor for MATIC could be between 17 cents and about 38 cents. So that's again a bear case for MATIC. So these are the three scenarios forecasted by the machine learning based forecast. The purpose is not to tell what will happen in market tomorrow, whether it will go up or down. That is exclusively dependent on the market forces. But if it were to go up, how much can it go up within one standard deviation bounds or two standard deviation bounds? That is the forecast using historical data as a input to the confidence levels. So these are the 68 percentile confidence level. Over here you can see in the tabular format week by week analysis. to its left is the bear case, to its right is the bull case. The 2 standard deviation are in 95% bear case and bull case. Similarly, the 3 standard deviation are within the 99.7% bear case forecast and bull case forecast over here. So with this, we'll just move towards the regression analysis for MATIC. This is again the current value of MATIC is at around 48 cents. You just saw that the fair value per hour analysis. This is the regression analysis using polynomial regression, where the prices go up during certain phases, that is during the bullish phases, and the prices and the fair value goes down during the bearish phases, that is the non-linear relationship of price and time. Per this analysis, the price is trading below the 1 standard deviation support. At one point in the bear market, MATIC visited its 2 standard deviation support, and the price action has not looked back. This is again after a while prices have come down. The last time prices were below 1 standard deviation support was back in September 2022. Now almost 2 years later, prices are below this level. This current level to watch is the 53 cents level. We are about 3 cents away from this price action, and the fair value per hour analysis at around $1.05. The 1 standard deviation peak is at around $2.05. The last time we hit this level was in March of MATIC hit this level was in March of 2023, when the 1 standard deviation ceiling at that point was at around $1.04 and or 9 cents, and the price action went to as high as $1.23. So again, if there were a mean reversion trade, the first value to check is $1.05, and if there were a 1 standard deviation ceiling scenario for MATIC at this point, it's at around $2.05. So those are the key values to watch per the regression analysis. In terms of looking at MATIC and from the lens of accumulating, these are the 3 models. The SMA model deals with the short-term accumulation or short-term analysis of topping or bottoming. The dollar cost average deals with a cycle-based or medium outlook accumulation strategy, and time-weighted average is the longest term accumulation strategy. Per the SMA model, this is the third best time to accumulate MATIC. The risk levels are between 0.2 and 0.3. You can see MATIC has spent a lot of time since April of 2024 in this level. The risk is at around 0.28. This is calculated using the proportional difference between the price and the 20-week moving average. You can see during the extreme bearish phases, the risk levels were between 0 and 0.1, and that's when the second model is the DCA model, and this is the medium term model. The chart that you are seeing on the screen, the risk levels are color coded based on the proportional difference between the price and the fair value regression trend line, per which the fair value at around $1.05 to $1.10. The price per this regression or DCA approach, the risk levels at this point are at between 0 and 0.1. Again, per this model, this is the best time to accumulate MATIC. Again, the historical precedent was between May of 2022 till about January 2023. This is when that was one of the similar phases, but you can see that this is not actually identifying the actual bottom, but more so whenever the prices go undervalued using the regression approach. That's when this model flashes accumulation signal, and you can read on the description how this model is calculated on the chart as well. The last model is the longer term time weighted average model. This particular model identifies the bottoms fairly well over a longer period of time. You can see per this model also the risk levels are essentially 0 over here starting June of 2024. And the color code, similar color code at around purple. This has identified 3 distinct phases of this current bear market and accumulation year, where the price have been going down. This is calculated based on this blue line, which is the time weighted average price for MATIC. Currently the time weighted average price for MATIC is at around 65 cents. So again, a mean reversion at around 65 cents could be again a signal to watch for. But this model, this also identifies peaks when the color codes go orange and red. But again, you can see this particular model has a tendency to declare it is a peak at a very premature stage. Over here, if you were focusing on the eventual risk level in at around, let's say we were looking at this model in March of 2021 when the price of MATIC was 42 cents. The eventual peak was at over here at around $2.80. Again, 6x from the current from March level. But again, this model would have set the risks in March were at around 0.96. That's why we have three different models. We'll try to normalize the behavior across the three different models, but for now we'll keep those three models to for different use cases. This is this per this model. Again, this is a good buy zone. Again, none of this is financial advice. And lastly, we'll look at a longer term compound annualized growth model for MATIC. If let's say MATIC were to stay active for the next 15 years and grow at around 22% compounded annual growth, then the price of MATIC could be somewhere between in 2040 could be at around $14, and in 2038 at around slightly under $10. And per this model, the number on this red line, this is the number of MATIC token needed to be a millionaire in terms of MATIC without staking it. Would be at around 100k MATIC in 2038 and around 69k in 2040. This is again, these are just numbers for two different years. You can use this analysis to conduct a similar evaluation in different time periods. So for example, 2034 MATIC required, the number of MATIC token required would be at around 230k, and the price at around $4.34. So that's the longer term compound annualized growth rate model for MATIC. And with this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.